do you feel when you say the word I?